Hey, it's Dustin. In this video, I'm going to be doing a review on the G-Tech 15.6 portable HD monitor. So as you can see in my office, I like to use two screens when I work, but I do a lot of work on the go. And so I wanted to get a monitor that I could stick in my backpack and take with me wherever I go so I can still work using two screens. So I went to Amazon and I'll post a link to this one down in the description if you want to check it out. But I looked for one that was inexpensive and looked like it was high quality. So I'm going to do an unboxing in this video and I'm going to show you all the features. So stick with me. As you can see, this is an excellent monitor. It weighs about 2 pounds and it has its own volume source as well. If you want to just turn up the volume, you can see it sounds just pretty much like a laptop computer. Plays pretty loud actually. It comes with two USB-C ports and then it also has a port for HDMI. So that's what this is here. If you need to plug into a TV, you can go from your HDMI to this port right here. And that'll give you another option when it comes to where you hook that up to. There's also a headphone jack for sound if you want to plug headphones into it. And then on the other side is all of the display controls. So you can, you can change the brightness and all those kinds of things. Something that I really love about this is the case is magnetic. So you can just stick it on like this. And then it also acts as a stand, as you saw me display earlier. And then when you're all done using it, it also wraps around like a case. So I really love this. I think the value, and I think they've thought through some of the most important things when it comes to a portable monitor, and it truly is portable. You can wrap it up, you can stick it in your bag, and this case actually protects the monitor when you're on the go. So anyway, I highly recommend this. Like I said, you can check Amazon for lots of different monitors. This is the cheapest one, and I kind of took a risk because sometimes cheap isn't always the best. But I'll just say, like, this is the cheapest monitor that they have on Amazon at 15 inches, and I'm totally happy that I got it. So I'll be using this. We're actually going on a motorhome trip. I'm going to be using this on the road all the time. And so if you're looking for a portable monitor to be able to get two screens while you're working, this is definitely highly recommended. So again, if you're interested in purchasing this portable monitor, I'll post a link down in the description. If this video has been helpful for you, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more reviews on different products. Thanks for watching and make today extraordinary.